Okay? I'm going to give a tip to people who are trying to start or trying to do their own survival kit. Simply look at the military style survival kits that they used to give out. You know? Salt tabs, anti-diarrhea pills, etc. And I'm watching a video from Steve 1989. I can't think. Wait, actually, I have it here. 1968 Operation Hot Climate Survival Kit used by Special Forces in Vietnam Review Tactical Aircrew. Yeah, they even had a little thing. But I guarantee you they were taught how to make it, better. Like by doing it as I can't think what the salt is called right now, actually. But look at what they were putting into military survival kits. Legit. Look at what they are putting in military survival kits. That should help you with your stuff. Because that was a general purpose thing. Like each environment. Tropical. Hot climate. Salt tabs. Yeah. I think you dissolve those in water. And that should help you. Right? Yeah. So look towards military survival kits. Shut up. God bless in peace.